Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm going to be doing this month's cast iron cooking challenge is breaded meat, and so I'm going to be doing a breaded chicken sandwich. So I've got a chicken breast right here. It was on sale. I'm going to be butterflying it. I'll tell you why. And then I've got some Parmesan crusted shake and bake, which I'm going to be putting in the frying pan. Which should work. I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't. Although technically I could, oh, I got the bags. I could start it in a cast iron and move it to the oven, but because I'm going to be butterflying the chicken breast, I shouldn't have to, and then I'll just save this for another time, another meal. Let's get the. Alrighty, got my chicken breast right here. I would have gone with a thigh, but breasts were on sale and thighs were not, so I'm just gonna trim off some fat. I don't want it on my sandwich. Alright. Now I just realized I made a mistake. I was gonna run this on my homing tool, but I forgot. It's alright though. Yeah, if you do this, just be careful you don't slice into your hand, because that's bad times. Kind of just want to let the knife do the work. Just put your hand down flat. And just yeah, see, I screwed it up. This one's a lot thicker than this one, but oops, what are you gonna do? So I'm gonna season it before I put the batter on, breading on it. I got some garlic. See, if I was not explaining the butterflying and just paid attention to the butterflying, I probably would have come out a little bit better. It's alright though. This is some of that Uncle Steve's shake. Now, Uncle Steve's does have salt in it, but I'm still going to add a little bit of bacon salt. So, not a lot. I want to make sure I've got a little moisture so the shake and bake actually has something to adhere to. Alright. The pan's not quite hot enough, so I will pause until the pan is hot, and then I'll go ahead and shake it. Alrighty, pan's warming up. Might be about ready. Probably could go a little hotter, but I gotta go to work today, so we'll go with the big one first. I was just wondering if there was, didn't think about it till just now, but I was wondering if there was any salt in the shake and bake batter itself. Oops. So, I guess we'll have to check the packaging, see if there's any salt. Alright. Yeah, the pan wasn't quite hot enough, but it's alright. Cool. So of course, because this one's thicker, this is going to take longer to cook. ahead and clean up and then. Alright, so they're cooking along nice. I noticing a little bit more fry on this side than this side. I think I got to replace my oven at some point down the road. It doesn't. It might be nearing its last leg. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I only used half of the mix. I think I did, but if I'm repeating myself, I apologize. But I didn't want to leave that little detail out because now I can put those on. I can put this on some pork chops or something down the road. Oh, you know what I should do? I should check to see if this has salt in the ingredients. Well, I don't know. I can't barely even read those ingredients. So, sounds good though. You hear that sizzle? I don't know if I mentioned it, but I've got 2 more of these rolls left, which is part of the reason I'm making this. I didn't want to waste these buns. So they're still in good shape. Truth be told, today is Thursday. I uploaded yesterday's Cuban sandwich video. Was uploaded yesterday, but I think I cooked it on Tuesday, like the day before, and then I edited, or Monday. So I've had these since 4 days. That's prepped. I'm gonna toast it in the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these. Got some. I don't have it on super high, so it's not too brown, I guess. Put that in the boiler. I'll toast my bun. So you might notice what I did is I scooted this one back, and then I moved this one up and tried to put the thicker side over the hot spot where this one was sitting. And I'm gonna heat up a little ham and put it on there because I've got this left over from the Cuban sandwich. So I might go ahead and turn that burner on. I don't need a high heat for the ham, just gonna warm it up. Ooh. Check my bread, it was okay. And I tell you what, it smells really good. This will be a good. These guys a turn. I think I'll check the temp. I just checked the temp, it was only 131. But now that I've flipped it, I'm going to go with the thickest part. 56, 57, 58, still climbing. This one's done, so I'm just going to put it in my little pan here. I always try to push the thermometer into the. Oh, this one might be done too. No, it's not quite done. Almost there. Done. Go ahead and kill the heat. Alright. Now we're really trying to cook this ham, so it's on low heat. And then the sandwich itself. I'm going to go with a little Thousand Island. Figured it'd be good. Because I happen to like Thousand Island dressing, so I think it might be a good item to put on the sandwich. And I get my cheese, so I get more still Swiss cheese. Turn down the heat just a little. I need a spoon. Spread the dressing. I've also got dill pickles. I like dill pickles, but if you don't like them, you can always leave them off. Absolutely. I know what I'm gonna do with this chicken, because this chicken is one size is bigger than the other. I'm gonna do this. Just gonna take it. Wow, that's pretty hot. Piece of crap. Okay, that's that. Get my ham and Swiss. Let's see. Put pickle on there. Nice. Oh, I forgot to turn the burner off. There's a cross section. Let's take a bite. Alrighty. Cross section as it drips. Alright, I gotta say, that's a home run. That's good. It's just drippy. So I'm gonna go enjoy, and I'll be back. Alright, well, needless to say, clean plate. That was actually really good. That was a good sandwich. I think bacon would have been better, but I had ham, and I didn't want to waste it, so I just used it, and it was alright. So I don't think I would really, other than the bacon, I probably wouldn't do much else different to it. So it was good. Tasty sandwich. I have a little leftover. Make the same thing tomorrow. Be before work, and as always, appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.